Namaskar, welcome to Government e-Marketplace. In this video, we will explain you the process of purchase requisition for products. Purchase requisition will be a new process introduced for buyers to buy directly through GeM Marketplace by getting an opportunity to get a better price than offered by sellers or service providers directly in the market. Instead of going through direct purchase with the price offered on market, buyers will be able to initiate a purchase requisition where sellers or service providers can offer a better price based on your buyer need. The price offered by sellers or service providers could be lesser based on convenience of consignee or delivery location or quantity or product, etc. Buyers will have an option to create a purchase requisition process for L1 purchase. The golden parameters of the selected product or service will act as allowed values for sellers or service providers to be able to participate and offer their price for the given purchase requisition. The sellers or service providers can submit their offers for the purchase requisition within 48 hours from the publish of purchase requisition. The price offered will be logged for next 10 days for buyers to create order. After 48 hours, buyer will be able to view the offers submitted by sellers or service provider. Buyer can only proceed with L1 in the purchase requisition, and in case of multiple L1, they can select any L1 out of the offers. If there are no offers for the purchase requisition, the buyer can choose to buy the carted L1 item. Let's see how actually purchase requisition works for products. Buyer needs to open www.gem.gov.in and click on Login. Enter the credentials, that is user ID and password, and then click on Submit. You will be directed to the home page. Then from the market option, you may select to search for your products, or else you can directly write down the name of your product into the search box. Let's select cricket ball as an example. As soon as you search for your product, system will show you the current L1 product in that particular category. Let's select the consignee location. Enter the state, delivery location and the quantity required and click on search. The system will show you the filtered market with the available sellers who are supplying that number of quantity at your location. As the price of product is above 25,000, we have to compare the product. So by clicking on compare option below the product, we will be able to add minimum 3 number of products into the comparison box. Let's click on start comparison, and now you will be able to see the comparison sheet of the compared product. Now, after comparing, system will suggest you a L1 product. To start a purchase requisition process, click on add to cart a L1 product and then click on direct purchase. You may also download the comparison sheet from here, and you will be able to see the trends, that is the last purchase price, that is the last purchase price of this product. Click on proceed to checkout. There is an option available called get best price. Click on get best price to get competitive offer for your carted product or services within 2 days from eligible service or service providers. This option would be used only if your order estimated budget value is within the L1 buying limits. So let's select get best price. Click on confirm, and your purchase requisition number has been created successfully, and you will get price offering from sellers or service providers within next 2 days. Now we will see how a seller participates in the purchase requisition process. For this, seller needs to open the website and log in with the credentials. And in the home page itself, there is an option called Purchase Requisition. Seller needs to click on the purchase requisition process, and seller will be able to see all the purchase requisitions for products, services, and bunch purchase requisition. So let's say seller wants to participate in this purchase requisition process, then click on offer price. Now seller have to offer the product and the pricing of the product. So this is a product offered by a seller for that purchase requisition. Click on choose this item. Now seller can see all the required specification by the buyer and the offered by seller. To save all the specification and to offer all the specification, click on save and continue. Seller needs to offer a price for that particular product. Here enter the price offered and then click on show price estimation. So for 5,000 quantity, seller is offering 28 rupees per unit and the total price is this. So to update the offer, click on save and your price offer will be saved for this purchase requisition. Click on OK to proceed. To verify the offer, click on Get OTP option. And seller will receive an OTP in the mobile number. Enter the OTP and verify the same. So offer is submitted successfully by the seller. So in the next process, buyer needs to view all the offers. So for that, buyer needs to open the GeM portal by entering the credentials and click on the purchase requisition process. Here, buyer will be able to see all the purchase requisition. So to open any of the purchase requisition, buyer needs to click on the view offer option. From the participation option, buyer will be able to see all the participated or offered seller. Here, buyer will be able to see all the sellers or service providers. So status is accepted and evaluation details can also be seen by the buyer. Now, next is the financial evaluation. Click on view price offering. Enter the OTP received on the mobile number and verify the same. So the lowest offered value is 1,40,000 rupees. So this will be a L1 for this purchase requisition. So buyer will be able to proceed with the L1 now. We will click on proceed. Create an order against this purchase requisition. So order creation has been done. Click on continue. And now select your payment authority, the designation of official providing administrative approval, financial approval, and amount to be paid is this. And you have to upload a financial approval file against this order and click on continue. Now accept the terms and conditions and your financial details, sanction order, contract order has been generated successfully. To verify the same, click on verify and enter the OTP received on your mobile number and verify it. So your contract has been generated successfully, and this is how we create a purchase requisition, seller participate in the purchase requisition, and how a buyer view the offers of the sellers.